Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make hotteok, or Korean caramel stuffed pancakes. Before I start, I want to give a shout out to Ken Crossley who requested this episode. This one is for you. First, we need 250 grams of bread flour, 50 grams of glutinous rice flour, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and a pinch of salt. Mix it well. Add 200 milliliters of water. Microwave it for 10 seconds to get it warm. Then, add 4 grams of activated dry yeast and mix it well. Put a bit of olive oil on top of the dry ingredients. Then, start mixing in the warm yeast water little by little, mixing after every pour. After pouring all the yeast water, mix it with your hands until it forms a sticky dough. Wrap it with plastic wrap and place it in a warm room until it doubles in size, about an hour. Now we're going to prepare the filling. Get some unsalted roasted peanuts and shake it in a Tupperware to take off the skin. We need about a half a cup of roasted peanuts. People usually buy hotteok at street stands to warm up. When people make it at home, they usually buy an instant hotteok mix. I have made hotteok from a mix before, but I have never made it from scratch before. Now, half a cup of walnuts. Place them in a plastic bag and crush them. You can also put them in a grinder, but don't grind them too finely. We want them to maintain some crunch. Place your half cup of peanuts in a plastic bag and crush them just like the walnuts. Hotteok was invented in 1882 when Chinese merchants came to Korea. In Korean, ho means Chinese and tok means rice cake. So hotteok means Chinese rice cake. In a small bowl, mix 6 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. 4, 5, 6. 2 tablespoons of crushed peanuts. 2 tablespoons of crushed walnuts. You can change the ratio and the nuts to your preference. Add 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, and mix everything together. Hotteok is one of the most popular street food in Korea during the winter. When you're in the freezing cold, the hot syrup and crispy hot dough taste amazing. It's been an hour and the dough has doubled in size. Fold the size of the dough in. I guess I never used dry yeast until this episode. Korean homes usually don't even have ovens because Koreans traditionally don't bake at home. Then, prepare a small bowl with olive oil and a hot skillet with oil. Cover your hands with the olive oil from the bowl. Get a small ball of dough about the size of a dinner ball. Flatten out the dough into a circle. Add a few spoons of the nuts filling, then close the circle up into a little dumpling. When I was little, there was only this kind of hotteok, but nowadays, there are green tea hotteok, kimchi hotteok, and even pizza hotteok. Place the dumpling on the pan and cook on medium-high heat until golden brown. Then flip. After flipping, we need Lady Starbucks help. Use a flat surface to press the dumpling into a pancake shape. A flat cup works perfectly. Authentic hotteok is pretty unhealthy, but these days, they even come out with diet hotteok which are roasted instead of fried. When both sides are golden brown, it's ready to eat. Place it on a paper towel until serving. That's it! Time to make hotteok with the rest of the dough. I still remember when I was little, my dad bringing hotteok on the way home from work on cold winter nights. Woohoo! Those are some of my favorite childhood memories. Hotteok is traditionally a Korean winter street food you can find all over Korea during the colder months. But today, I'm making Kwon's Corner summer version. Cut one whole banana into slices. Stack 3 hot hotteok on a plate like pancakes and place the banana slices around them. Put a big scoop of vanilla ice cream on top of the hotteok. Sprinkle powdered sugar over everything. Drizzle chocolate syrup on top of that. Shave dark chocolate on top of that. Sprinkle crushed nuts on top of that. That's it! Our Kwon's Corner Summer Edition hotteok is all ready to eat!
I will just have a one layer. It's hard to get it. And a banana. Okay.
Yeah, we should sell it.
So good. You know caramel and ooey gooey with the vanilla ice cream goes so well, and the chocolate it's so nutty and so much flavor and it tastes so good. Okay, see you next week. 안녕.
If you enjoyed this episode, please leave a like to support my channel. And if you want to see next week's video, hit subscribe. You can also ding the bell to get notification when I post. If you have any questions or there's a Korean recipe you want to learn how to make, leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. I hope you enjoy it. See you next week. 안녕!